Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to find and copy your Bybit UID, which is also known as Bybit User ID. So guys, before we continue on this video, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. So guys, you have to enter into your Bybit app and make sure that your account is updated. Make sure it is updated. So guys, you have to be at the home page. At the upper side by your left, you're going to see Exchange. Right at the right side, you're going to see Web3. Make sure that you're on the Exchange side. So by the left side, you're going to see a profile icon. So you just have to click it, and this will pop out, which is your email, invite friend, identity verification. But that is not what we are looking for. If you look at the upper side very well, you're going to see UID, which is 210. This is my UID. And if you want to copy it very simple. By close to the number, you just have to press that over there, and it's going to just copy, like it said, copy successfully. So guys, we have successfully found and we have also copied our user ID. As you can see, it's very simple for you to do. If you really enjoyed this video, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time guys. Love you.